If you're looking for a uniquely renovated 4-room flat apartment in Dover Crescent with quality furnishings, this could be the perfect unit for you.
Hi, I'm Ning Michelle.
I'm Michelle, we're from Urban Agents. Today we are at this 4-room flat apartment, 95 square meter, uniquely renovated.
Yes, Michelle, the moment I step in, I realized this is a marble flooring.
Yes, when you look at this marble flooring, you realize that it resembles something.
It is like a parquet way of laying, and I think this way of cutting is quite expensive, you know.
Exactly, and it's really uniquely cut to resemble that parquet flooring.
Yeah, I can see straight
and when you step on the flooring, you realize that it's very cooling.
Yes, definitely, because it's marble. Well, like this, the owner is having so much things, and the storage is wow.
The owner, they owns many pairs of shoes.
Yes.
So you see there's ample storage. It's like from the floor all the way to your ceiling.
And then what I like about this corridor area where you come in, right? It seems like it's more privacy
Exactly.
for the owner.
Yes.
And because of that, they can have so much storage here.
Yeah, and as you walk in, you realize that this feature, this feature sort of like gives you the privacy from the entrance.
Yes.
But at the same time, you also has a nice piece in the living room.
It's a piece of art
to
here.
wow your guests and your friends.
Yeah, I'm sure. I think the owner is like a minimalist, you know. Everything here is like so wide,
Clean.
yes.
And when you look out of the window, you realize that you almost get unblocked view.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's like this is on a very high floor.
Yeah. And your neighbors doesn't even look into you. So whatever you are like, relaxing
It's
here.
really full privacy here.
Exactly.
You see, even if I were to sit here and catch a movie, wow, I think this is so nice.
Very good distance.
I like this piece.
And one thing I like when you, from your living room, moving on to your dining area,
Right.
okay, they have cleverly placed a nice dining table with a 4-seater, which can be even extended to 5 or even more.
I'm sure.
So from your dining space, when you look to your living, it's like you can expand the entire area for all your guests.
Correct. In fact, talking about dining, I have a feeling that the owner should be a gourmet.
Yes, the wife loves to bake a lot.
Can we check out the kitchen?
Come, let's check out the kitchen.
Let's go. Hey Michelle, I think the owner really knows how to enjoy their life.
Yeah, I saw a lot of wine inside.
Yeah,
Goodness.
it's a huge wine chiller.
And you even have space for a huge 2-door fridge.
Wow, this kitchen is amazing, the size. And just now we're talking about the owner, maybe a gourmet, right? Look at this. This is a very good brand. Now, oven. And you want to show me something, right? You said.
Yes, I discovered this very interesting compartment.
Wow.
It's like you can put all your different stuff inside.
I'm
your
sure
baking
the owner loves
stuff.
to bake a lot as well.
Yes. Another thing I like about this kitchen,
Yes.
is the backslash.
I think this is a quality granite from Brazil.
Exactly.
okay.
And
I'm
it's so
sure.
easy to maintain.
And look at this. This is very interesting because I seldom see this in a kitchen of any resident's home, because you see this is actually a high quality stainless top.
Yes.
Bottom part of the cabinet, this is not a, this is not a usual height.
Yeah. You realize that the owner actually has very intelligent ideas for all the design.
Yes.
It's specially suspended upwards so that easy for cleaning as well as to access the various points for rectification work.
Yeah, and the cabinets is like the top hung is almost full. So if you look at this, right, I think this kitchen is really self-sufficient.
Yeah, very comfortable. If you were to walk over here with very natural lighting coming into your kitchen, okay, when you open up the window, it's breezy.
Yep.
Can do your washing, your cooking, everything.
Yeah, I think I really like this kitchen because it's so spacious. It's a good size, easy to maintain as well.
Yeah, and one thing I want to show you is the yard.
Okay, let's check it out.
Come.
Michelle, you see, this is a good size yard. You can put one washer, dryer, and if the owner has a helper, this can be a helper's room. You know why?
Hey, that's a good idea.
Yeah, because you told me there's something that the owner has done.
Yeah, check out this window. not all the units have this window. The owner has specially installed this so that if it rains, they can just close up the window and air their laundry here.
Yeah, okay, this is good because then the new owner that comes in, they can just conveniently enjoy the yard area that is covered.
Exactly.
Right,
Okay,
nice.
now that we've seen here, Ning, come let's check out the rooms.
Alright, let's go. Hey, where's Michelle? Hey, you're inside!
Hi, Ning! Hello!
How do I come in?
Try the magic word or the magic stance.
This one looks like a Kung Fu secret passageway. Let me just try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's moving! Wow.
Don't you find this amazing?
This is a secret passageway.
Yes! In fact, I was so excited when I found this earlier on.
I'm
I
sure.
thought it was like simply amazing.
Hey, you know this? This reminds me like the owner is a bookworm. He's a collector of like all the antique cameras and all this. I think
He's
this
an enthusiast, really. And in fact, right, if you look at all these books,
Yeah.
all the shelvings that's available, and I really love it because right now a lot of people work from home.
Yes.
And this study is the perfect place for you as well as for the children.
This is so inspirational, you know. The moment you sit there, all the ideas just keeps coming in really.
Exactly.
I can even imagine myself, you know, like wow, it's like a Harry Potter kind of world.
You think so too, right?
Yeah.
And I love it. It's like when you look out the window, it's fully unblocked. So it's like your mind is open up to new ideas.
Importantly, it's also good for the eyes. That's what my doctor told me.
Exactly. Yeah. So, Ning, come let's check out the other areas of this house.
Sure, I'm getting more and more excited. Let's check it out.
So, Ning, this is the second common room that has been converted into a walk-in wardrobe.
I counted, there are 16 panel doors.
Can you imagine? 16 panels of doors or wardrobe space for all their fashion stuff.
So can I convert this room back to a common room if I need to?
Actually, there's no issue because underneath every wardrobe or even the fitting space are well lit with the same quality marble.
That's nice.
Yes.
Okay, now, where's the master room?
You didn't know where it is, right?
Is there another secret passageway here?
Come, let me show you.
Wow. Wow, Michelle, it's really indeed a secret passageway. I think the owner has so much idea for the house. Looking at this unit here, I mean this room, it's so huge. It's a king size.
King size, and you have space for a side table,
Yes.
a huge massage chair,
Right.
and still a lot of walking space.
Yeah, in fact, if you want to convert this back to a 100% master room, I'm sure we can actually have either the wardrobe there.
And then you just have to shift the massage chair near to the window.
Yes, this room is super mega size.
And I like the fact whereby it's so minimalist, so clean,
Yes.
so neat.
Yeah, okay, but now let me see. I don't see where is the bath.
Okay, let me show you where the bath is.
Oh, is another
Come,
secret
follow
place?
me.
Okay, sure.
Come, Ning. This is where the bath is. Almost fully marble.
Wow.
Yes, I love the timeless design. See, it's like lush, luxury, like the hotel style.
Yes. Really, I think the owner really knows how to enjoy life. And it's also well ventilated as well. Nice.
So Ning, I really love this unit with the quality furnishings as well as the efficient layout.
In fact, Michelle, I really love the special, intelligent design of this home. And all the secret passageway, it makes the whole house so interesting.
I agree with you totally.
Yes. Just a stone throw away from this unit, we have an NTUC supermarket, bakery, coffee shop, salon, optical shop, clinics, and pets grooming. Okay, if you like shopping, you can even walk to Rochester Mall or Star Vista Mall. If you're a nature lover, Makeway Park or even One North Park may be one of your choices.
For parents with school-going children, there are actually 4 popular primary schools within 2 km, such as Fairfield Methodist School and Anglo-Chinese School Independent. And there are also choices of tertiary education such as Singapore Polytechnic as well as the Anglo-Chinese Junior College. And in the vicinities, you will find 4 international schools such as the United World College of Southeast Asia, Dover campus. And for parents with very young children, you have a choice of 2 childcare centres and 2 kindergartens within walking distance. In terms of commutes, there's actually a bus stop at the next block with numerous buses to various parts of Singapore, including CBD, Outram, and Marine Parade. And we are surrounded by 3 MRT stations. And for those who are driving, it's only approximate 15 minutes drive to Orchard and less than 20 minutes drive to the CBD area.
If you're someone who appreciates quality finishing with amenities at your doorstep and surrounded by good schools, this may be the unit you're looking for. I'm Ning Yap.
I'm Michelle, we're from Urban Agents. If you like what you see, do give us a call and remember to subscribe to this channel for videos like this. And see you soon at our next exclusive listing.